Hello everyone! Hi guys! Good morning! Maayong buntag! So today I'm going to make a pork neck with lemongrass. So this is tasty, yummy. So the ingredients are pork neck. So I have 2 pork neck here. This is fresh one from wet market. And then the shallot, 1 shallot, and 3 pieces of garlic, and then the lemongrass and chili. And then so now I'm going to show you how to prepare. Cut the shallot first, and then cut the garlic. And then I already have cut lemongrass here. And then the chili need to slide. Set aside first. So now I'm going to put here into the pork. So I put the lemongrass, the ginger, the lemongrass, the shallot, and the garlic. I put all here for marinade. And then I'm going to put salt, half scoop of salt, and then flour, 1 scoop of flour, sugar, 1 scoop of sugar, and then the vinegar, one like that. I think it's 1 teaspoon, one teaspoon of vinegar, and then light sauce is also 2 teaspoon. And then next is ketchup, just like that, 2 teaspoon also. I should add the light sauce 2 more, so it's all 4 teaspoon. And then mix together, just do like that. Mix it together. Mix it good. So I think should still add the light sauce because it's not enough, because it depends on the pork how big the pork is. So you need to check if the light sauce is enough or not. So for me, I think it's not enough because the pork is big, so I need to add 2 more teaspoons. So all in all is 6 teaspoons. Okay, so this is enough. Okay, so it's marinated. See? So later on, I will fry this. This one set aside first for around 4 hours to 5 hours, and then later on, I will fry this for 40 minutes in a slow fire. And then after fry, slice it in a thin pieces and serve. So that's all. See you next time. Bye.